How to use BlaBlaCar app. Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can use the BlaBlaCar app. So let's get right into it. The first step is to ensure that you've downloaded the BlaBlaCar application on your device. Once you have that done, just click on the BlaBlaCar application to launch the app. Once you've launched the app, you'll be brought to the app's interface. Now, on this interface, your first address you can see at the top part of the screen is that your pickup rides at low prices. That is basically what the BlaBlaCar app is for it to get rides at low prices using a car or a bus or a car. All right, and then for you to search for a ride, you can use this box where you can see living from. The living from option is to select where you're coming from, that is where you're heading from, and then where you're going to. All right, you have to select a position or a place you are going to as well, and then you click on the search icon. Once you click on the search icon, the rides available for that particular location would be displayed. All right, that's the first use for the app. And then another thing is that you can also become a driver on the BlaBlaCar app by publishing a ride. All right, and now can you do this by moving to the lower part of the screen. At the lower part of the screen, we have 5 icons, namely search, publish, your rights, inbox, and then profile. So you can just click on publish. And once you do that, you'll be brought to the pickup position where you'd see enter the full address. So here you can just enter the full address depending on where your ride is, and then you can select an exact position where you like to pick up passengers, fill in all of this the way you want, and from there publish your ride. Once your ride has been published, whoever wants to take a ride will see you, and then you'll be contacted to go ahead and pick up the person. So another option is to like I said, get a ride. To locate where your rides are, move to the lower part of the screen and click on the right icon, which is located beside publish, and then you can select inbox, profile as well. And then once you select profile, you'll be able to work on your profile and um customize it to suit your taste. So that is it. That is how you can use the BlaBlaCar app. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.